Tired of waiting in those endless lines at McDonald's? Well, I'm about to show you a game-changing trick. Today, we are diving into the fantastic world of McDonald's kiosk ordering using their app. Ditch the counter, folks, and prepare for speed and savings. First things first, make sure you have the McDonald's app downloaded and you're logged and take a quick peek at the deals section. You might be surprised by what goodies await you. Alright, now head over to your nearest McDonald's kiosk and on the screen, tap that beautiful mobile order and pay button. A QR code will pop up on the kiosk screen. Time to grab your phone and open the McDonald's app. Inside the app, locate and tap the scan button. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. This will activate your phone's camera. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the kiosk. Make sure the entire code is within the frame. The app will automatically recognize it. Voila! The kiosk will now recognize your McDonald's account, displaying your available rewards and any deals you've selected. Now browse the menu on the kiosk and add all your favorite items to your order, just like you normally would. Don't forget to customize. Review your order carefully. This is your last chance to make changes. Ensure your deals and rewards have been applied correctly. See that Pay with App button? Give it a tap. The cost will be deducted from your payment method linked to your McDonald's account. The kiosk will now display your order confirmation number. Keep an eye on the screen. It will also tell you which window to pick up your order from. Swing by the designated pickup window, flash your order number, and bam! You're enjoying your McDonald's meal in record time. No lines, no hassle, just pure fast food bliss. So ditch the lines and embrace the future of fast food. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy ordering!